What's going on, everybody? Hey, it's Alex Cassido with another video for you. This one, I'm going to give my recommendation on who you should be thinking about when it comes to making your first hire and what role to hire for. All right. So, at the beginning of my freight brokerage, it probably, when I say probably, I'm going to be thinking like a year and a half, I was ready to make that hire. The good thing about my experience before starting a freight brokerage is I knew how to create a company and do the accounting, the operations, and the sales part. So there's a lot of different roles and a lot of knowledge in different areas that one has to know to create and build and keep a company. Obviously, as you get sales and you start getting cash flow, you need to start outsourcing some roles to take some stuff off your plate so you can put more time in different areas that have a bigger impact for the company, like sales. So yeah, I understood accounting and I understood all these other roles, but I can't do everything forever, and neither will you. And that's why eventually you'll be ready to hire somebody. If things are going good for you and you get to that point, which you will. So what role would I hire for the first time? To me, keeping track of your books and maintaining that is important. When you are, I remember when I booked the loads during the day, then at night I was doing the billing, you know. Um, Sometimes I could be doing it all week, and then come the weekend, I wouldn't go out. I spend my time, I look at it as picking up the money off the floor, handling all the billing, because you obviously want to keep up with that to make sure you're getting invoices out and your customers you're already in the process of cutting checks to you. So that's an important part. It can be tedious. So that was my first hire, hiring somebody to handle my books, my invoicing, my collecting of the money, uh, paying carriers, collecting their invoices, entering everything into like a program we use, QuickBooks. So that would be my recommendation. Once you are at a point in your business where you can afford and are ready to hire somebody, would be someone to help you maintain your booking. Then you can spend more time in moving more loads, servicing more customers, bringing in more deals, more money. And again, that first hire who is taking care of your bookkeeping can basically keep up, bill, collect the money, pay the carriers. And the great thing about it these days, they don't even have to, as an option, they can work remotely. So it's not like you have to have an office to hire somebody to come in every day. Obviously, you definitely can, and that might work out even better. But back to the main point, bookkeeping, that is the role I would recommend hiring for your first hire. All right, guys, please subscribe if you haven't already. You guys take care. Be great.